Hey there, keto warriors! Eating out doesn't have to mean breaking your keto diet. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can enjoy a delicious meal while staying on track. First, research the restaurant and menu ahead of time to find keto-friendly options. Most restaurants have online menus, so take advantage of them. Next, don't be afraid to make modifications to your order. Ask for substitutions like swapping out fries for a side salad or adding extra veggies instead of carbs. Finally, beware of hidden carbs and sugars in sauces, dressings, and marinades. Ask for them on the side or opt for plain olive oil and vinegar. By following these tips, you can confidently navigate any restaurant menu while staying keto. Happy dining!